Hey, ever noticed how nature seems to follow a secret code? Let me introduce you to the Fibonacci sequence, a pattern that has fascinated thinkers for centuries. Imagine starting with two numbers, 0 and 1. Add them to get the next number. Simple, right? Now keep adding the last two numbers in the sequence to get the next one. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on. This sequence isn't just math. It's found in the arrangement of leaves and the spiral of shells. Architects even use it to create aesthetically pleasing buildings, integrating nature's code. It's a reminder of the universe's universal language, a conversation between math and nature.